couple of people commented on my latest video where we refactored some code to generate a mermaid Gantt chart from a mutable string builder to returning these lists of strings. So each one of our components returns a list of string here, and we build it all up at the top level. If we have a big chart, that can be something of a problem because each one of these lists is going to take up memory. We could though use Kotlin sequences, which are lazy, and because I'm lazy, I'm going to ask AI Assistant to do it for me. I'm going to say change all the functions that return list of string to return sequence string. Let's see how that goes. Well, it's telling me what to do and offering to do for me. Don't know why I'd keep a dog and bark myself, so apply them, please. And now, interestingly, that opens a diff window here, and you can see it going through and changing things, which is quite sweet. Let's see what changes we've made. At the top level, this list of can be replaced by sequence of. That's nice and easy. Here we're just changing the return type to sequence of string because these are now returning sequence of string. Test stats to chart line, return sequence of string by using this sequence builder here, which allows us to use yield to add to the sequence. So instead of using add here, we use yield. And instead of add all, we've got yield all. That's cool. This list of is sequence of. That all looks really plausible, doesn't it? Let's accept all and run the code to check that it works. There's our nice Gantt chart. That's good. And interestingly, where we call this to mermaid Gantt chart, that's here. We haven't actually had to change the calling code at all because we were previously calling join to string on list of t, but now we're calling it on sequence of t. So where we've called it hasn't been updated at all. That's brilliant. Going back here, one little error there. We don't need the add sequence because it already is a sequence. Here we could just do the reformat, and then I think we could be even lazier if we were to move this code here into the sequence block there, because the sequence returned by this is really just squirreling away this block here until the sequence is realized. I might just put a blank line in there and take that one out. But then I think that's as lazy as it can be. So quite a good result for AI Assistant there. And we'll just add the human touch of making that an expression body. Ta-da!